This is Andy from Facet, and today I want to show you how you can achieve a duotone effect on your images on a couple of very simple steps. In order to do that, the first thing that we want to do is to choose our color operation and desaturate our images to basically convert them to grayscale. The next step is going to be adding an adjust palette operation. What this operation does in general is that it allows you to map a set of source color into new target ones. Since we are starting from a grayscale image now, we basically want to map the edge of the spectrum, basically map the white color to the light color of our duotone and the dark color to the dark color of our duotone. So let's start by removing the colors that we won't be using and then choosing the source colors for our mapping. In this case, we want to map black in the source into the dark color of our duotone. I chose a sort of dark purple color here, so this should do it. And the second step is to map white, right, which is the end of our source spectrum, into the light color of our duotone, which I chose a kind of yellowish thing. So as you can see here, we already start to get this effect of duotoning. Usually these images tend to have a clear background, which in this case I would like to map to the light color of our duotone. So we can do this in a very simple way by coming here to the image content and looking into the all background selection. So what this basically is going to do is going to generate a layer with a mask that only has the background of the images. What we want to do next is let's pull this layer at the beginning, because this is the first step we want to apply, and then we're going to add a solid fill. In order to do that, just come here to new adjustment and use the fill operation, and we're going to be filling here with white color, right, because that's the one that we are later going to map to our light color in the duotone. So as you can see, very quickly you can get this duotone effect on your images. You can then of course add more adjustments to make them look exactly as you like. Just one more tip: remember that you can at any moment choose to show or hide any of the things that appear here. So for example, if we want to start with our images on the original, they were like this. First step, we remove the background and replace that with a solid color. We then convert this to grayscale, and later on we did the adjust palette mapping. Right, hope you find this useful, and see you next week.